few months ago, billions of people reappeared after 5 years away.
It is time for you to learn the true purpose of your mission.
Come on!
You're a Hawkeye!
We need new heroes.
When I put that suit on, I thought, this is the moment I become who I'm supposed to be.
This life you want to live, to really help people, really try to help people anyway. It comes with a price.
A family is forever.
What is this place?
Steven, you need to give me control.
You don't want to do this. Yeah, we do.
You were there when they came for her. Stood at a window and watched her die.
You've never had to fight me.
But I've always wanted to.